Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Section hair into 1 to 2 inch squares and secure each with clips. Once done, mist any overly dry sections with water so fibers grip. Use the racket to gently tease the base of a section, short, controlled strokes to encourage tangling without breaking. Make sure to work from root to mid-length first. This establishes the foundation. Repeat quickly across sections, controlling size and density. You want texture forming, not neat parted hair, so keep strokes varied and patient. Once the base has texture, focus on mid-lengths and ends. Rake the racket down each section to create knots and frizz, then palm roll the section firmly to encourage cylindrical locking. You should alternate direction occasionally so locks don't all twist identically. Make sure to leave small loose strands. They create the natural freeform look as they mat in time. Check tension as you roll. Too tight stalls natural locking. Too loose delays formation. Continue section by section until the whole head has consistent texture. You finish by encouraging maturation. Palm roll nightly for the first month and avoid heavy manipulation. This lets sections consolidate. Once done, trim stray fuzz if it's excessive but resist reshaping. Freeform develops character over months. Make sure to monitor large conjoins and gently separate them when roots are visible to control girth. If a spot feels weak or unraveling, lightly dampen and palm roll, or use the racket briefly to reintroduce texture. This repairs formation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.